Hey, this is Mendy with My Insurance Claim Expert, back for part 2 of our coverage on the wildfires in California, what you should know about your claims. Well, in the previous video, I spoke about what to do if you're among those homeowners whose house was completely destroyed. What about those homeowners who had partial damage? Maybe part of your house was burnt, or maybe you just had smoke penetration throughout the house. Well, to be honest, unfortunately, in a certain sense, you are worse off than those whose homes were totally destroyed. Why do I say this? Because when your home is completely gone and destroyed, typically your insurance company is going to act in good faith. They're going to come out and they're going to pay you the full policy limits, at least for the coverage A, the main dwelling portion, which allows you quickly to go out there, plan recovery, know the road to recovery, not live in doubts about what's going to be, hire a contractor, make plans, do all of those things. While those of you who had partial damage, unfortunately, if the insurance company decides to make this difficult, it can be months or even years until you know what your insurance company is going to pay you to be able to restore you to pre-loss condition. And that's really the most difficult part of the insurance claim, is that stage of not knowing. Okay, living with that worry, what's going to happen with my biggest investment, etc. So we spoke about where a public adjuster is not needed for those whose houses were completely burnt down for their main dwelling, although for other coverages they may be able to recover significant amounts of money with a professional. But for those of you who are only partially affected, that's really where it's going to make the major difference. Understanding what is necessary to restore your home to pre-loss condition. Smoke penetration, where did it go? Did it go get in the attic in your insulation? Well, you're never going to get rid of that smell if you don't remove the insulation and replace it. Did it soak into your drywall? Okay, depending on how close you were to the fire, how severe the smoke was in your house, it may be necessary to replace all the drywall in your house. Otherwise, the insurance company is going to come and say, yeah, no worries, we just need to put on a coat of paint. This is a special paint to seal the odor. Well, that's going to be great for 6 months, a year, maybe a little longer, but that smoke may come out eventually. And at this point, your insurance is going to say, you know what, Jack, you're right. There is additional damages, but you know what? Statute of limitations expired. You were supposed to let us know within a year of this happening, or whatever the timelines in California are. And so, yeah, we don't owe you anymore for this. So that's why it could be a great idea for you to get a professional on board from day one to ensure that you have your claim handled properly. I do want to clarify, I am not a public adjuster in the state of California. Our company is not licensed in the state of California. However, my mission is to help homeowners. Watch my channel, you'll see that's what we're about. We're about helping homeowners. And so if you have any questions, reach out to me. I am happy to help you answer any questions I can, give you any advice I can. Hope this information has been useful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, show some love, tell your friends about us. And as always, email us your questions at pantherpa.com. Finally, look at some videos, recent videos of ours where I talk about the Fair Insurance Act that I would like, the grassroots effort I am working on getting our country to change the way homeowners are protected. It's time for the insurance companies to be held accountable and for the homeowners to be given basic rights to ensure that their insurance claims are paid properly. Thank you for all you do. Have a great day.